Students, what we were discussing was the galvanic cell. Okay, galvanic cell which consists of two types of conductors in the form of electronic conductors, that is electrodes, and electrolytic conductors which are solutions. You know, galvanic cell consists of two half cells. Okay, how do you represent a galvanic cell? A galvanic cell is shown by two half cell. Each half cell म्हणजे काय? एक मेटल कंटेनर, एक कंटेनर घ्यायचं, ग्लास बीकर. You dip a metal strip into that. Again another glass beaker. You dip a metal strip in that. Each container contains aqueous solution of its ion, and the metal strips are connected by means of voltmeter. Okay. Other day I was telling you the representation of a galvanic cell. I'll show you again. Salt bridge, at the center aqueous solution of ions, anode on the extreme. हे example द्यायला लागले मुलांनो. Anode on the left hand side. This is a salt bridge represented by a double vertical line. This is a single vertical line which is used to distinguish between two phases, that is gas and ions, gas and liquid and all that. Okay, this is anode which is on the extreme left. Then this is a cathode which is on the right side, which is on the right side here. That's it. This is how you represent a galvanic cell. Students, we are going to discuss chemical reaction and cell notation. म्हणजे एखादा असं सेल नोटेशन दिले समजा. ओके, how will you write a chemical reaction? See, I'll show you how you write and cell notation. Rules आहेत त्याला. Cell notation is shown like this. म्हणजे anode on left hand side which acts as negative electrode. Let me precisely tell you. Anode in galvanic cell acts as negative electrode. Cathode acts as positive electrode. How do you represent a chemical reaction? With the help of this typical representation which is called as cell notation. Concentrate. Chemical reaction आपण कसं लिहितो? नीट ऐका रे. हे बघा, anode left hand side which is nickel here. Nickel at anode generally oxidation half reaction takes place. म्हणजे निकेल काय करणार? It donates electrons. Oxidation half reaction which donates electrons here. Cathode aluminium electrode किंवा metal plate dipped in aqueous solution of aluminium. Aluminium in aqueous form +3, it gains 3 electrons to form. म्हणजे ह्या सेल नोटेशनने हे केमिकल रिएक्शन कसं लिहायचं ते दाखवते. It gives you aluminium in solid form. That's it. Students, whenever you write the anode, that is negative, cathode, that is positive, सगळ्यात पहिला when you the overall reaction is called as the cell reaction. Students, cell reaction which is obtained by removing the electrons. म्हणजे तुम्हाला इलेक्ट्रॉन्सचा इफेक्ट किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काढले पाहिजेत. त्याच्यासाठी तुमच्या डोळ्यासमोर हे एनोड रिएक्शन आहे where nickel is undergoing oxidation to liberate electrons. The loss of electrons is oxidation, students, and at cathode aluminum is undergoing reduction to gain electrons. Undergoes reduction by gain of electrons. माझा पर्पस काय था की मला इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काढायचे आहेत. मग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काढायचे तर काय करू मी? तर मल्टिप्लाय दिस रिएक्शन, यूज अ टिपिकल numerical factor, and you multiply the oxidation half reaction, that is anode reaction, and the cathode reaction by typical factors to remove the electrons. How do you do this? हे बघा, सगळीकडे मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागणार. So your anode reaction will be what here? It will be 3Ni giving rise to 3Ni plus 2 plus 6 electrons minus 2Al plus 3 plus 6 electron minus gives rise to 2Al. So what is the overall cell reaction or chemical reaction? हे बघा, हे cancel out होणार. So what will we get here? 3Ni plus 2Al plus 3 gives rise to 3Ni plus 2 plus 2Al. Ends the job. म्हणजे एक्झाम मध्ये काय करतात, सेल नोटेशन देतात, सॉल्ट ब्रिज ॲट द सेंटर, ॲनोड ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, कॅथोड ऑन द राईट साइड. त्याच्याने तुम्हाला केमिकल रिॲक्शन लिहावं लागतात. ओके, केमिकल रिॲक्शन हिअर टू बी 2 स्टुडंट्स. हे बघा 2, चुकून टीचरने 3 लिहिलं, दॅट्स इट. इज इट ओके हिअर? इज इट फाईन स्टुडंट्स? एक पार्ट झाला. आता पुढचं पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस समथिंग कॉल्ड एज सेल पोटेन्शियल. सेल पोटेन्शियल हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत ना, डेफिनेशन्स 2 मार्क्सला. सेल पोटेन्शियल अँड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेन्शियल. Cell potential and electrode potential. 1 minute. Galvanic cell consists of 2 half cells. One is anode cell where oxidation half reaction takes place. Cathode cell where reduction half reaction takes place. First, concentrate. What is electrode potential? Electrode potential is the potential difference developed due to the reaction, oxidation or reduction reaction taking place at the electrodes. Okay, whatever due to the movement of ions, okay, movement of electrons, whatever is the potential developed across, okay, potential difference developed across each half cell, that is called as electrode potential. Let me clear one point. Again I'll repeat. What is electrode potential? It is the potential difference developed due to transfer of electrons at each electrode and the reactions taking place at each electrode. Means oxidation half reaction takes place at anode, reduction half reaction takes place at cathode. So due to electron transfer, आता हे anode कडे जे electrons liberate होतात ना ते cathode कडे जातात students, like that. So whatever is the potential developed at each electrode maybe anode or cathode, that is called as electrode potential. Point number 1. Then what is cell potential? Cell potential. Cell potential is the total potential difference of the oxidation reaction taking place at the anode. This is anode plus reduction reaction taking place at the cathode. So what is the total potential difference? Cell potential म्हणजे काय? It is the sum of the electrode potentials respectively at anode and cathode. That's it. हे झालं cell potential and electrode potential. Then we discuss standard cell potential, standard cell potential and electrode potential. कसं लिहितो आपण? Cell potential is denoted by E students. E is equal to oxidation potential difference due to the half cell, that is oxidation at anode and reduction at cathode. Now what is standard cell potential? Students, standard cell potential is represented by the letter E naught. What is standard cell potential? थोडक्यात सांगायचं काय? इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेन्शियल आणि स्टँडर्ड पोटेन्शियल मध्ये फरक काय? स्टुडंट्स, इफ यू टेक द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ द आयोनिक सोल्युशन्स, जे हाफ सेल्स मध्ये तुम्ही जे aqueous solutions वापरणार, if you take the concentration as 1 molar, if you take the pressure as 1 atm, 1 atmosphere, if you take the temperature as 25 degrees Celsius, then the conditions are called as standard conditions. And standard conditions मध्ये whatever is the potential due to oxidation at anode and reduction at cathode is called as standard cell potential. So what is standard cell potential? It is the potential difference developed when the aqueous solution of ions are in their standard form. म्हणजे 1 molar घ्यायचं, pressure घ्यायचं 1 atmosphere and temperature should be taken as 25 degrees Celsius. Then E फक्त लिहायचं नाही, इथं E naught घालायचा. E naught is oxidation half reaction, sum of the potential difference due to oxidation half reaction at the anode and reduction half reaction at the cathode. Ends the job. कळते मुलांनो? एक झालं. नेक्स्ट स्टुडंट्स ऐका रे, IUPAC काय सांगते? whenever you take the potential difference, we take the IUPAC system. The generally whenever you write the cell potential, standard cell potential, it is the potential of with respect to cathode किंवा reduction. मी काय सांगते ऐका, as per the IUPAC system, always the cell potential, the standard cell potential is taken as per the reduction potential. मुलांनो जरा बोर्डाकडे बघा. Total cell potential is oxidation potential plus reduction potential. Oxidation takes place at anode and reduction takes place at cathode. Okay. Reduction potential at cathode is negative of reduction potential at anode. I hope you agree. कळतं? किंवा ऑक्सिडेशन नेगेटिव्ह ऑफ ऑक्सिडेशन पोटेन्शियल ॲट ॲनोड. का बरं? कारण जेवढं रिडक्शन पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स कॅथोडवर डेव्हलप होतं तेवढंच पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स ॲनोडवर डेव्हलप होतं, बट इन ऑपोजिट फॉर्म. सो रिडक्शन पोटेन्शियल ॲट कॅथोड इज नेगेटिव्ह ऑफ ऑक्सिडेशन पोटेन्शियल ॲट द ॲनोड. म्हणजे लिहायचं कसं सांगते तुम्हाला. इट इज लाईक दिस. E naught is equal to minus E naught of reduction plus E naught of reduction. This is anode, this is cathode. म्हणजे काय आलं? I'll repeat, don't worry. E naught is equal to E naught of reduction as at cathode minus E naught of reduction at anode. मी परत सांगते, मी काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला. Standard cell potential is when the conditions taken are standard, that is 1 molar, 1 at atm, 1 atmospheric pressure and 25 degrees Celsius. Total cell potential is the sum of the oxidation potential due to anode plus reduction potential due to cathode. Okay. सांगायचं काय? Reduction, whatever is the reduction taking place at the cathode is same as the reduction taking place at the anode but in negative form. उलट, कारण ऑक्सिडेशन होतं तिकडं. So reduction potential at cathode is negative of reduction potential at anode. का बरं? कारण anode कडे negative of reduction म्हणजे opposite of reduction म्हणजे ऑक्सिडेशन. So इथं नेगेटिव्ह ऑफ रिडक्शन पोटेन्शियल ऑफ ॲनोड, कारण कॅथोडचं बरोबर उलट ॲनोडकडे घडत असतं म्हणजे ऑक्सिडेशन. ऑक्सिडेशन इज नेगेटिव्ह ऑफ ऑपोजिट ऑफ रिडक्शन, म्हणून ॲनोड ऑपोजिट ऑफ रिडक्शन, ऑक्सिडेशन इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ रिडक्शन म्हणून मायनस. सो ई रिडक्शन ऑफ कॅथोड मायनस ई रिडक्शन ऑफ ॲनोड. सो जेव्हा केव्हा तुम्ही सेल कॅल्क्युलेट करणार, सेल पोटेन्शियल, टोटल पोटेन्शियल ऑफ द सेल कॅल्क्युलेट करणार, तेव्हा ऑलवेज यू प्रिफर रिडक्शनच प्रोसेस धरायची. That is reduction at cathode, which is negative of oxidation at anode, किंवा negative of reduction at anode. कारण anode कडे oxidation होतं, which is negative of reduction किंवा opposite of reduction. कळते? ते मायनस म्हणजे गैरसमज करू नका की डिडक्शन आहे, ते ॲक्च्युली साइन कन्व्हेन्शन आहे. ते ऑक्सिडेशन इज नेगेटिव्ह ऑफ रिडक्शन. म्हणजे कधीही whenever you calculate the cell potential, we always take into consideration the reduction potential. कळते? That's it. हे कळलं आता? ओके. वन थिंग. नेक्स्ट स्टुडंट्स बघत जा. विल बी डिस्कसिंग अ व्हेरी इझी पार्ट. ते फक्त डेरिव्हेशन तुम्हाला नाही आहे, फक्त फॉर्म्युला येतो. अँड आय विल टेल यू व्हॉट इज दॅट फॉर्म्युला. दॅट इज नर्स्ट इक्वेशन. स्टुडंट्स, वी डिस्कस दॅट एज वेल. समथिंग कॉल्ड एज NERST, नर्स्ट इक्वेशन. व्हॉट इज दॅट? The cell potential is related to the cell potential, so EMF of the cell, total potential difference is related to the standard cell potentials by the relation E of cell is equal to minus E naught of cell, E naught of cell minus 2.303 into RT किंवा असं घेऊया minus RT upon NF, natural log of what? RT divided by NF, natural log of concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. आता अर्थ काय? हा रिएक्शन धरूया आपण. हे बघा असं. सो नॅचरल लॉग ऑफ कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स टू द concentration of reactants. कळतंय? This typical equation, that is EMF of the cell or total potential difference of the cell is equal to E naught of cell minus RT divided by NF, natural log of concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. Okay, so E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus natural log काढा. Natural log काढला की you have to multiply it by 2.303 RT divided by NF, concentration of C raised to C, D raised to D, number of moles ni raise करायचं, divided by A raised to A, B raised to B. Now you may ask me, teacher, हे काय? N म्हणजे काय? Number of moles of electrons, moles of electrons. कारण जे काय खेळ आहे ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मुळेच घडतं. So N is the number of moles of electrons transferred and F is Faraday. Faraday म्हणजे charge on one mole of electrons and that is 96,500 coulombs. That's it. कळतंय स्टुडंट्स? परत सांगते. N is number of moles of electrons transferred. F is Faraday, which is charge on one, I'll repeat, charge on one mole of electron and charge on one mole of electron is 96,500 coulombs. आता एक गोष्ट सांगायची म्हणजे समजा if you take R as 8.314 joule per mole, T as 25 degrees Celsius, then 2.303 RT divided by, समजा number of moles is 1 mole multiplied by 96,500, याचा आन्सर येतं 0.059. कळते? एक डिजिट मिळते. 2.303 R ची व्हॅल्यू करायची 8.314. T you take 25 degree Celsius, 1 mole of electrons are transferred असं धरूया and charge on 1 mole is 96,500. When you multiply किंवा N असंच ठेवा मुलांनो. The value of 2.303 into 8.314 into 25 divided by 96,500 is 0.059. म्हणजे फॉर्म्युला काय येणार? E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 divided by N, where N is the number of moles of electrons transferred, concentration of C raised to C, D raised to D divided by A raised to A, B raised to B. Ends the job. कळलं? म्हणजे 2.303 R ची व्हॅल्यू घाला, 8.314 T ची व्हॅल्यू घाला, F ची व्हॅल्यू घाला. Value when you calculate, the value comes out to be 0.059. Hence, Nernst equation, कुठला equation? Nernst equation becomes E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 upon N, concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. हे आपण लॉकडाऊन संपल्यानंतर ह्याचे प्रॉब्लेम्स घेऊया. खूप नाही आहेत पण आहेत. ठीक आहे? डन. चलो समजलं व्यवस्थित? चले.